Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for another Hakka lesson right here in ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
It's getting cold. It is very cold because it's January already and there's a lot of cold fronts coming in and out. So anyways, today we're going to go ahead and teach you more words associated with being cold and the wintertime.
錯。
All right, there are a few things that I would like to review or maybe teach for the first time right here on the Hakka lesson. First, there's what's called a cold front, 也就是寒流。
寒流。
寒流很冷怎么说？
寒流冻狼。
寒流冻狼啊，好像狼要出来了啊！就寒流很冷 ，that means the cold front is really freezing. 冬天呢？
寒甜。
很甜，冬天不甜啊。啊，
寒甜
就是冬天。
冬天。
OK, that's winter time. 就寒天的意思是不是？
錯，寒甜多咧，會有寒流。
寒甜多咧，會有寒流。等一下，你剛剛教我的。
寒甜。
很甜，冬天到了就會有寒流。對不對？ Okay, that means there's going to be a lot of cold front during winter time. So everybody should be careful.
大家愛小意哦。
大家愛細膩哦。
小意哦。
愛細膩的。
錯。
要小心。
寒甜多咧，會有寒流。大家愛小意哦。
Oh, that's a good phrase. I like that. Okay, so you can say this to everybody actually during wintertime. That means, during wintertime there's a cold front, so everybody be careful.
寒甜多咧。
寒甜多咧。
會有寒流。
會有寒流。
大家愛小意哦。
大家愛小意哦。All right. And 3 more things we should teach everyone, and that is 毛衣, a sweater.
彭先生。
你現在在想念你先生嗎？彭先生。彭先生啊。
彭先生就是毛衣
啊？是嗎？騙我。
毛衣不是都會蓬蓬的嗎？彭先生。
的彭先生啦。
嘿呐。
跟台語很像。Okay, it sounds like she's calling out Mr. Peng, but it's 彭先生. That is a sweater. Okay, 那有時候要戴手套 gloves.
手套。
手套，因為手就是手，套就是套，手套 that's gloves. And finally, sometimes you want to put on a scarf, 圍巾。
降產。
降產。All right, so put on the 降產 the 手套跟彭先生 and you will have a very warm winter. That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.